Hello, this is a short video to show the uses of the Duplex Jet Steam Professional. This is our smallest steam machine. It's non-vacuumated. Okay, comes with a range of tools. Very simple to use. Before you start, you need to fill it with water. It comes with a handy filler bottle. Take off the cap from the reserve tank and just fill it with water. Very simple, okay? Now, just to turn on the machine, you've got a switch right at the bottom of the front, which just switches on, and it'll just give you an indication. It says off at the moment. There's a second power switch on the front top of the machine. Switch that on, the machine will turn on. This shows the temperature of the water in the boiler at the moment. The machine works at about 165 centigrade, so we need to turn the boiler on. So that switch turns the boiler on. This will start to rise as it gets hotter, and then it will get to 165 and it's ready to use. There's a hose that plugs into the front of the machine, and the hose is what you really use when you're using the machine, because all the attachments fit into this hose. Okay, so on the handle of the hose, you've got a switch for steam. You've also got a switch that gives you the power that the steam generates out. So you've got low, medium and high steam. Okay, so pop it on medium steam and then pull this trigger. You get the steam out of the machine. So we're ready to go at the moment. One of the tools that comes with the machine, and all the tools I'll show you in the next few minutes, or all included with the machine, is a detailing nozzle. Now that just pushes into the front of the machine like so, and it's locked into place. And that gives you a small jet of steam, but a very efficient jet of steam. So if I put this on to full power, as you can see it's quite noisy, but it is for detailing work, very close-up work, edges, corners, equipment, anything you need to sanitize that's got lots of nooks and crannies, etc. And then you have 7 attachments that fit onto this nozzle. Okay, so there's 2 metal brushes, one's a stainless steel and one's a brass, and that's for quite heavy duty cleaning. You have 3 polypropylene brushes, a small, a triangular and a large round, okay, and they're for just detailing in different areas. There's no set way to use those tools apart from the scraper and the plug hole cleaner, but the other tools are just general purpose use for equipment, edges and corners. Machine comes with a scraper attachment, which we use for chewing gum and removing labels off of equipment, etc., which is very useful. Okay, and then finally you've got a plug hole cleaner, which has got a gasket on it, and that's for cleaning out traps, U-bends in sinks. It sanitizes, so it gets rid of any smell you might have from the trap or the sink, and also clears any fat or grease that's in that trap, because it blasts down into the trap. Now, the machine doesn't use any chemical, it's chemical-free cleaning, and when you're using these tools, obviously you're using the steam about 135 centigrade, so you're sanitizing, and that makes it very good for infection control. There's other tools that come with the machine, and I'll show you those. So, detailing nozzle pulls off, and then you've got 2 extension poles, and again they just push in and lock into place. Okay, and then what you've got a floor tool. Now this is, I call it the floor tool, but you can use it for walls if you want to, and that just pushes into the front there and again locks into place. It's got quite a stiff brush on the front, so if this was a hard floor, we could be cleaning a hard floor with scrubbing action. Okay, wanted to clean this carpet, we put a cloth over that, clamp it into place using these clamps, and then you can spot clean carpets. Again, we're sanitising and we're getting rid of bacteria and viruses, etc., with the temperature of the steam. Another tool that comes with the machine is a large triangular brush, and again that fits into place. And this is very good for edges and corners. It's got a very good swivel attachment on it, so it's 90 degrees for cleaning on edges and corners and skirtings, etc. But also got a clamp so you can use that with a cloth And one of the uses of this, if you've got a cloth on it, is to clean upholstery. So you could be cleaning upholstery with the cloth. And I'll just show you one advantage of this, is if you take this tool off and put it on the actual hand grip, you've got a very efficient mattress cleaner. Okay, so steam on, low steam, let the temperature rise and clean any debris you might have on a mattress. And with a cloth on, that takes the dirt away. So that's quite a very useful tool. And then finally, this tool, which is a tile and window tool. This is very useful if you use it with one extension. Okay, so I'll just take one extension off and we'll put it on there. Locks into place. Locks into place, and then you can use it just on tiles and walls, just to steam down. And then you turn it around and you squeegee off. Again, it's a very, very versatile tool. Now the machine at the moment is freestanding, it's sitting there, so it's very light to move around. What is that? 10 kilos, okay, so it's easy to move around. But it also comes with an optional 2 trolleys. This is the stainless steel. The machine sits on the base here, and all the tools fit into the basket, so you can move that around wherever you want to take it. But it also comes as an option with this janitorial system, which is a much more comprehensive tool because it takes a lot more tools. You can put a lot of clocks on it. You can actually fit a steam mop on it. So most machines are sold with the janitorial trolley. Okay, but you can buy it as a standalone steamer. That's about all you need to know just to get you started with the Disinfect Professional.